noticing some grays. You can see them. There's not a lot. You can see them right here, but I don't want to start dyeing my hair either, so I thought, what's a natural way to help rid of grays? So I looked up and I found this remedy for gray hair. It's sulfate free, paraben free for all types of hair, and it's 100% vegan. So I'm really excited to give this a try and see if it helps. It says here that you apply to your hair after washing and then style, or if you're using it with your dry hair like I am now, you can apply a few pumps on your palm. Gently use your finger to massage your scalp and evenly spread the treatment onto your hair roots. No need to rinse. Blow dry and style as usual. And then you can use this if you want to kind of brush it. See if I can get rid of those pesky grays. So it says here on the directions that you can actually use this after washing your hair with towel dried hair or with dry hair. So
Mayraki's anti-gray treatment helps restore your natural hair color. No harsh chemicals, just a boost to your hairs. Natural melanin production. Try it risk-free and rediscover your youthful confidence.